Ryan. I'm just interviewing before the big fight. How do you feel going into this round?
I don't know. Bam!
You gonna win?
Yes, I'm
Alright, you gonna win tonight?
win.
You gonna win?
Yes.
Any words for your opponent, Connor?
Yes. Yes.
What?
Yes.
I'm gonna beat you easily?
Yes!
Okay, gentlemen.
Okay.
The rules are, I'm gonna say, on your mark, get set, go. You're gonna release your airplanes. The one who goes the furthest is the winner. You understand, gentlemen?
Yes!
Alright. Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go!
Again! At least I still
Yay, we have a winner.
Don't crumble that one.
this time I'm gonna win.
Alright. Round 2. Round 2, but let's throw it out.
Throw it far, Connor,
On your
not down.
marks. Get set. Go! Oh! We're tied. Okay, tied. All right, here's the tiebreaker, guys. This is it. This is the tiebreaker. Ready?
Are we gonna set?
No, this is not set. This is it. This is it.
Again!
Okay, this is the one that's going to decide it all. Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go!
Tie!
Tie. Okay, we'll do one more. We'll do one more.
Okay, it's the very last one.
Very last one, guys.
Who is going to win?
Who is going to win?
Who's going to be the airplane throwing champion?
Yeah. On your marks. Get set. Go. Connor!
Yay! I'm the champion! I'm the champion! I'm the champion!
All right.
Another one.
Sure, throw. All right, you won, Connor.